Alden Richard update. Yan, nakatatlong award si Alden. Congrats sa PMPC Star Awards for Movie. Ay, nag-host pa nga siya dyan. Ito yung mga awards ni Alden. Movie Actor of the Year. Tapos Movie Love Team of the Year with Julia Montes at Male Shining Personality of the Night. Congrats kay Alden. And may mga award ni Alden, no? Parang award ni Alden, no? Kaya tinawag na si Alden dyan for Movie Actor of the Year. Kantay sila ni Kuya Dingdong. Grabe. Tinatawag niya si Alden. Ito yung speech.
Hello po. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa PMTC, sa mga jury po and members of the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat po for this recognition for Fried Breakups in a Romance. Yung partner, pagkatatambal po namin dito ni Miss Julia Montes nung nag-uusap kami nung ginagawa po namin yung pelikula, parang hindi po kami siguradong dalawa. Pero I think yung tinuro po sa akin ng pelikulang to is sometimes there's beauty into the unknown. And I think risk is always right around the corner, but you just have to jump into it and kailangan mo lang tanggapin at gawin ng yung lahat ng makakaya. So, muli po, Jimmy Pictures, to Myriad Entertainment Corporation, and to Cornerstone Studios. Thank you for this chance. I share this award po sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa pelikula. And isang malaking karangalan po ito na mabigyan ng recognition for this film. So muli po, maraming salamat po and magandang gabi. Thank you, PNPC.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.